Ready to connect your system to our Remote Security Manager app? Installation and setup are easy. Let's take a look. First, head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Remote Security Manager and download. Once the app is installed, review and accept the terms and conditions. Then tap Continue, which will take you to our keenfinity.tech page to create your account. You will enter your email address, then click Next. To verify this new account, a verification code will be sent to your email address. Once you enter this verification code, you can set up your new password. You will then be asked to agree to the terms of use. Then hit Continue. After registration, you will be taken back to the Remote Security Manager app, and you will be logged into your new account. From there, get in touch with your installer to connect your security systems. Once connected, you can begin customizing the app to your preferences and manage your security systems anywhere, anytime.